supposed to rain, but look at the weather now. It looks bad. Anyways, I'm going to a men's meeting. Big shout out to my boy Lewis for inviting me. I'll talk to you guys later when I come out of here. Man, what a fantastic time. Really, really fantastic. I'm telling you, there was power there. Power. What a fantastic prayer time. Wow. I'm stunned. The presence of God was there. Let's go ahead and stop here. Okay, so real quick, I'm just gonna show you the antenna that I got here on my Road Glide. And by the way, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you could be notified. Like I say, just went to a Bible story, prayer story. Big shout out to my buddy Lewis for inviting me. It was amazing. Really had a great time, and it was just very, very powerful. It's beautiful to be able to experience that. Definitely encourage you to be part of a men group. You know, a men group is really important. You know, you talk about things that are related to a man, and you talk about things that it's just men related. And you know, we are called to be leaders, so it's nice to be able to understand and learn what exactly you got to do. But let me take a step back. Let me show you my Road Glide, and then I'm going to show you the little antenna that I got. I don't even remember the name correctly. Something with an R. I'll put it right here for you guys to see it. But you know what? So far, it's doing it. There are many choices out there, really tons of choices. So it's up to you to pick a choice or not. But this one, I installed it. It kind of take away from that ugly antenna that I had, and it's working out okay. Okay, here's a trusty Road Glide that I love, my 2009 Road Glide with a 96 cubic inch. I'm having a great time with this bike. So here's antenna. So essentially, this is kind of what you get right here. Usually you have that big antenna that comes up there. I'm sure the big one is just better for, essentially for connection and get a better reception and all that. I'm probably sure that it has to be. So when you go for a smaller one like this, you're probably giving up some of the connection or maybe reception, if you want to put it that way. But to me, the big one is just kind of annoying. It gets in the way. Sometimes you hit it in the garage and all that. I really didn't want to have that. So I got this little one. Very, very easy to install. You can see that right there. And then you can see the antenna right here. If you see my bags, I'm going to put my hand across my bag, and this is kind of what you have right there. So it's pretty much level. Here's a look from this side so you can have an idea, and a look from this side. I think it's made out of some kind of rubber or something. It feels okay. I mean, no big deal at all. You can see it right there. So again, so far this little antenna is doing the work. It's doing it fine. You see it from this side right here. You don't have a crazy antenna sticking out. So yeah, guys, just a quick video real quick just to show you the antenna. It's doing good. It's working out just fine. And now it's time to go home, spend some time with the family. Oh yeah. By the way, these goggles are doing just fine. I'm liking it so far. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Woo! Man, I feel bad for the guys that have a riding season. Imagine putting that bike or the bike away for the whole winter. No way, man. I mean, it gets hot down here in Florida, but you can still ride. I don't know. Some of you guys up north, let me know what you think, but it has to be devastating to put the motorcycle away for the winter. It has to be. Although I feel here in Florida, we gotta put a bike away for the summer. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Gotta take control.